So hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture I am going to explain how you can download the IntelliJ IDEA on your Windows local machines. I'm going to explain this step. So to download the IntelliJ IDEA on your local systems, you can go to the Google and you can type the IntelliJ. Okay, and then you will see the option IntelliJ download. So you click on this link and after that you will see the JetBrains official website. So you will see the first official website. You need to click on this link, and once you click on this link, and after that you will see the JetBrains homepage. Okay, on that page you will see the different type of the operating system. So if you're working with the Windows, you select the Windows. If you're working with the Macintosh, you can select the Macintosh, and if you're working with the Linux operating systems, you can select the Linux also. So as of now, we are working with the Windows 10 machine. So we will download the Windows machine. So here, the first is the ultimate version. So what does it mean? So ultimate version, basically it's a 30 days trial version free. So if you download this one, you will get the free 30 days trial version. Okay, but we want the lifetime open source project. So for that, what we will do, we will just scroll down and then we will see the community editions. So IntelliJ IDEA community editions is there. So this ID for the Java and the Kotlin projects. Basically, if you are working with the Java and the Kotlin project, so you can download this ID free. So you can see the free built and the open source. Open source means you can use, this is for the lifetime for your learning purpose. So to download this one, you just simply click on the download button. So when you click on the download button, after that you will see thank you for downloading the IntelliJ IDEA, and here you will see the downloading will start. So the downloading will take around 2 to 3 minutes, depends on your internet speed. So I have already downloaded this .exe file. So the .exe file name is the IDLC. Okay, so I'm going to stop this one, and here you can see the IDLC is already downloaded on my system. So I will go to this .exe file, and to install this .exe file on my system, so I just double click on it. Once I double click on it, it will start installing the software on my local system. So the installer will start installing the IntelliJ IDEA on my local system. So you can see, please wait while the setup is loading. So it is verifying the installer on your system. So you just wait for some time. So to continue, you just select the yes, then click on the next, and you can select the destination folder where the IntelliJ IDEA community edition is getting installed. So this is the 2024 latest version, and the space required for the 2.5 GB, and space is available this much. So you need the 2.5 GB hard drive space to install this software on your local system. So you just make sure you have the enough space on your system. Now click on next. Now here the first is create desktop shortcut. So we want to create a desktop shortcut for this one. Now the update context menu. So add a open folder as a project. So I just want to add it. Now create the associations. So means on which project you want to work on. So I want to work with the Java project. I want to work with the Gradle project, Groovy project, and we want to work with the Catalan project and the .pom project. Now update the path variable. Okay. So add the bin folder to the path. So that we will do later. So you just skip this one and you select all these things, and now click on the next. Now you select this one and just start and click on the install. So now you can see the IntelliJ IDEA community edition is getting started on my Windows machine. Alright, so the community edition setup is done on our local system. So now we want to finish, and if you want to start the community editions, you select the run and then click on the finish. Now screen reader is, did you want to enable the screen reader support in this IntelliJ IDEA? So you can see enable. So here we can see the IntelliJ IDEA desktop shortcut is there. So if you want to directly start, you just double click on it and it will start. Now for the settings, so we have the user agreement. So JetBrains community editions. So this is the license key. So you just see and have a look and just simply click on I confirm and continue. So once you click on the continue, it will going to start on your local system. Okay, so first time when you start the IntelliJ, you will see the look like this. So this is the UI of the IntelliJ first time. So over there you will see the new project open if you have any existing project, and if you want from the version control system, so you can directly import from there. So you can see the three options over there, and this side you can see the project. So this will be the project setting. So if you want to click on the customize, so if you click on the customizations, so in the customizations you will see the theme. So in the theme sections, dark, light, light with a header, high contrast, pergola. So if you select this one, it will change the customization, and if you want the light, so it will give you the light version. So you can see this is the light version. And okay, so you can select based on your requirement the language and region. So English, and the region you can make it as a default, and ID font if you want to increase the font size. Okay, so you can increase the font size on your system, so 14, or you can also make it the 16. Okay, so 16 is not a good, so you can best select the 14. 13 or 14 will be the best size for your font on your ID. Adjust color for the read green vision deficiency. So you just select this one, then only you will see the different type of the color for your class interface and the packages import. So you will see the different type of the color. So for this one, it will require the restart for your system. So as of now, I'm going to select this one, key map. So this will be the Windows configuration. So if you are looking for a specific plugins, that suppose if I want to install the Maven over there, and then it will give me the Maven plugin to integrate it with this IntelliJ IDEA.